Hi! Today's episode is about halo-halo, which means mixture or mixed. It is a popular cold dessert in the Philippines made up of crushed ice, evaporated milk, and various ingredients, topped with a scoop of ube ice cream. This video is brought to you by Gambim Dela Cruz. Please check the description box on their channel's link. Let's get it started! So, this is our gwapong-gwapong kuya of Gambim Dela Cruz channel preparing our shaved or crushed ice by using this tough electric crusher machine. Yes, we can also use our traditional pangkos, but this is already made easy.
Let it go. Turn it up for safety. And one more.
And here they are. They brought all the halo-halo stuff at the exclusive beach of Brother June and Cislo's village. First is to put our shaved ice on our halo-halo glasses.
Banga banga. Banga banga.
Yeah, you just heard a banga banga.
This is it. Special halo halo. Oh.
Disclaimer, there is no correct set of ingredients for halo-halo as they can vary widely. And yeah, this video was taken at the beach, so please turn on your audio for the wave sounds. It is one of the most relaxing sounds on earth.
Ice.
After filling up the glasses with shaved or crushed ice, it's time for the Ube Jam. This is made from the boiled and mashed purple yam and a few ingredients like coconut and condensed milk.
Kung kulang pa man yan, mabutangan.
Next is Kaong or sugar palm fruit. It is a small jelly bean shaped knot or seed of the sugar palm tree. It could go by green, red, or white color. And now, it's time for the Nata de Coco. This is also marketed as the coconut gel and is a chewy, translucent, jelly-like food produced by the fermentation of coconut water. It also comes with red, green, and white color. Next, we have sweet Mongo or mung beans. This is a good source of iron, phosphorus, and potassium. Next is cream corn. You may also use whole kernel corns that add some buttery flavor, not to mention its beautiful yellow color. It's summery, isn't it? Look at that beautiful colors. We have yellow, green, red, purple, brown, and there's more.
Everything,
Ice cream.
everybody's milk, no? Milk muna. Hmm? Milk.
It's time for Ube Ice Cream. Yes, Halo Halo isn't special without Ube Ice Cream. So this is still made of purple yam.
This is it. Special bukan dindon.
For the final touch, we have evaporated milk. Wow, look at that. It's so creamy.
No milk yung isa, ayaw mag-milk kasi ang isa.
There you go. Halo Halo is ready. So, this is literally mixing. That is where the name came from. Mixing food. Halo Halo. So, this is Tita Del Del anyway. And that's Chin Chin, Tito Boy, and Papa,
Tada!
Ate Lo's father, who just turned 74th. And Tita Del Del is also 63. Yeah, they don't seem like it, no? Because they look so young.
Tikiman time.
And yay! Super duper setup.
Dagdag ka ice gambunding.
I haven't really met these beautiful people yet, but they're so close to my heart as I consider them as my newfound family. I'm just so inspired by how generous and kind they are. Their mission is to serve the Lord. They're living their best lives indeed. Sometimes, the people who are thousands of miles away from you can make you feel better than the people who are right beside you.